Hello, my name is Carolina Kilupani and I'm going to talk about the animal intelligence. First, let's talk about the intelligence. Human beings have established what means to be intelligence. So there are a lot of things that defines if someone is or isn't intelligent. For example, we have the empathy. The humans are able to understand the other's feelings and try to put in the shoes of the others. That helps a human having a better communication with each other. The ability to conscious about looking about ourselves in a reflect. Other animals aren't able to do that, so they didn't recognize themselves in a mirror. There is another that is the communication. Language is one of the biggest things that makes a difference between humans and animals. For example, recognizing the shape, color, and size of things that and relate them. For example, putting figures in a right hole like a baby do, or does when is trying to recognize figures. There are a lot of skills and things that or abilities that are part of a big mental process from humans. However, some animals are able to do these things, are able to speak, able to recognize themselves in a reflection, able to empathize, able to communicate with humans. So as we can see, if the intelligence is proved with this kind of test, animals should be considered as intelligence too. Nevertheless, animals are still prisoners in the zoos every day and every month of the rest of their lives. Now, in the quarantine, we know how it feels to be into four walls with no more space to run, to play, or visit someone that we know or like to visit. And we should reflect about how animals that born in the nature are now prisoners in not authorized zoos. They born free in the nature, but now they are tortured and abused. Of course, this kind of places are disappearing progressively thanks to the strict laws that now exist in the most part of the world. The protected areas help engage endangered species from their extinction, and there are more movements about animal protection, but humans are still hurting the world, the nature, and therefore animals. There are a lot of hunters around the world killing endangered species for make them rich. The laws should be applied with all its weight to them. There is another problem about animal abusing, that is the experiments that humans made on them, using chemicals, viruses, and also replacing parts of the body with machines. Those tortures should be prohibited in the world. Nowadays, we know that humans are developing the coronavirus vacuum, and the scientists are proving this on animals. Beyond thinking if they are smart or no, maybe we should think about our Beyond thinking about if animals are intelligent or not, we should think how intelligent we are as humans. Destroying our home every step to make our life easier is a step of hurting the earth.